This is going to blow your mind. Meet animals with real-life regeneration abilities. First up, the axolotl. This little salamander can regrow limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of its heart. Next, we have the sea star. Lose an arm? No problem. It can regrow its arms, sometimes even creating a whole new sea star from a single limb. Moving on to the planarian worm. Cut them into pieces, and each piece can grow into a complete worm. Incredible, right? Fourth, let's talk about the deer antler. These guys regrow their antlers every year. Imagine regrowing a limb annually. Lastly, the zebrafish. They can regenerate parts of their heart, spinal cord, and even brain tissue. Nature is truly extraordinary. Which of these superpowers would you like to have? Comment below!